some people about a day now will not see me. So me dey sort out some little things still. So me I go make up for that, right? So we dey have to talk about the Blinga and RT bar situation. We are gonna watch some of the video them and me I go give me opinion upon it. Yes, what I say. And also Dan talk about why RT bars itch up on Blinga, why I'm always around Blinga and where the festivity are going. You see me? So we are gonna watch RT bars and Blinga couple video, but we are gonna watch some as much as we can. You see me? Cause I don't know say from about yesterday or the day before yesterday this are going. See, so we are gonna watch a couple of the videos them. You know what I mean? I see one of the video them where him a go on some type of way, you know what I mean, load up. You don't know RT bars thing go on extra most of the time. You see me? Some people I say, boy, them see this coming from afar. Other people have them other opinion. More know what you think in the comment, right? So as I say, we're gonna kick it off with RT and Blinga. Watch some of the video them and then we're gonna hear from Dan. Cause you know so when Dan attack, Dan just speak our mind and done. Right? So we could kick it off with RT and Blinga. So yeah people, me dash you the kerchief. You see me? Yeah. Alright, so me have to have one glasses because you don't know say the light bother me eye. You see it. Alright, so make you hear where RT are going with.
But for some reason she feel like she want it.
Hold on the people. Come in plug up my thing.
Next thing though, when we want to understand me and Blinga about inbound conflict, I come up with the court case. I give her the court case. My idea. From me and Bling leave fall out the last time. Bling sidestep from the court case or ranks the court case because in her heart she knows say RT portray the court case as a thing. So she try stay away from the court case. Stay away from the court case. So me I said to her, I say, do more court case, do more court case. She I said the people them. So me say, okay, me and you do the court case together. Yeah, step away from the court case. So me leave her with every bag of mix up and and she called me back when me I tear down the place with Queenie and me decide that time I left she because I said to myself, say, you know something, me don't want the people them say, and it always at me, you know, people, but I tell you say, come be like, me no know, here where me I think, me no want come out, come do what me I do now, so me take on myself, because you know, go say a spice thing me do. But for sure you got them on my side, me didn't have to talk, but it makes you come talk out our own amount. So everybody can balance and judge, say, okay, we can give up, we can give RT a chance on that side here, because me see say I know him fuck up. I want to see where me I come from. When the people them I say, RT, they are not. She said, you want me for cost? Them I said, no, Bling them. I said, make one are accountable. You don't have to count. What she do me? What she do me for me one are accountable? What she? I just a fucking know, you know. I just want to find out that she not in a sense, you know. Because where? And then me turn and say, then what Cheese do me? When Nurse Brown do me? Where Bella do me to get rid of them? I want to tell you what, I want to show the Blinganeers them say when not in a sense. She live them if the bitch live, you know. Because I want to cramp him, you know.
She's live, boss.
How much more over there because we are working, you know.
Did they have to steer the person?
2.3.
Alright. Him not have no blood clot file for me. I just all the receipt there. The only thing she can say away me are close. Anything she can play away me talk here. So both in life. My class him. Because me is a man respect justice. Him not Bling not no blood clot style. Bling want me. This is what me realize. It look like say Bling tired of me somehow because at the end of the day is the feelings and the whole thing. She just I don't know. Bling, you know me realize that. So that mean when you see all of them picture the way you post on social media with police and all of them something, them they're real jealous. You're jealous because you are intimidated by royalty. So you feel like say true royalty have a picture up and she name royalty and is a nice pretty girl. So you feel like me and her in a certain look of things. So you use because of royalty she appear in picture pan right through, you know.
But RT, Even TikTok police now want her. TikTok police just need a little help from outer Jews
She
land.
come to your opening hands and long ahead. She work with Tik Tok police that want 100 and add blood. What that?
You run.
This rough.
TikTok police need the help to come out of Jews land. Me no wrong him. I don't wrong the boy. The boy want come out of the slum and feel like say she can't help him. When the boy see say she stagnant, the boy just say, better me just go and do my thing, you know. Artie, I tell her this morning, say, I'm not gonna
He
lie.
said, shh, shh, shh.
No, it's not a fire. It's not emergency. Money. No, it's not emergency. We okay.
All right, sir. I'm glad you're okay there then. May I just have your first and last name?
Nardo Smith.
Mr. Smith. Thank you. We'll disregard you on. Thank you for your safety. You have a great day.
Thank you. Police call because the fire alarm go off, so I always set up the alarm trip, so we have to put in code a while ago for that's the police not come. So I all set. I'm good enough fire, I have money. Good. One alarm chip off, police call. Back to you now, people. Back to you now. So people, it's like this. I really don't want this. I'm being real. I never want this. But Bling want it. You guys literally know me. By now, everybody know me. You know this is not what I want. Based on you see me a trad light. You realize say Bling push for come out to the dirty man. And even when we push for come to the dirty man and the dirty man conquer her, she realized that she can't win and she a play it out. And she a play it out. Bling, I don't know where she a go. I be a play she a play, right? It's when she did and we a laugh. Let me show you how me a keep her up. Even when me a class out her dirty blood clot, me a play it off. And that's a cause of confusion, you know. Because when you say me a kill her blood clot and I save her at the same time. Because she can't angle the war. Even I'm sure she an idiot. When time make nasty up her blood clot and me bring her, me want she come back. Me say Blink tell me say, did you call him man? She forced she say, no, me not call him. And one person say me not call and I think whichever idiot girl me give her come back. We are play the hypocrite. So when me switch and not a style.
Hey.
You know,
Alright, what me I say now, people? And the reason why you see me come here so more while because me have the mic, as I see. So you want me now. Zine, Bling and RT, people did a predict a long time. I say, yo, them are gonna fall out, you know, because as RT boss stay. Me never did a pre-set them are gonna fall out because them have an understanding and them are two big people. You understand me I say? So me never did I look for nothing like this. I'll do them can cost today and tomorrow. Them good again. You see me? But on a level still, me don't go up them no pass certain place with this cussing where them are going with. Because if you pass certain things, you know, or say certain things, you reach a point of no return, you know. And when you know say RT boss no whole female. You see me? So I just hope them keep it respectful and them disagree upon whatever them disagree upon. And them can come back later on and patch up back things. So make a watch some more.
She make we all say like you don't have no sense after you Bling me and you good, me and you this. So talking, I don't want to touch that case. She forget what she blood clot, get rubber out, me a back you.
But remember yesterday when we were at the airport, because
Them
all of us
people
was
are
on the
set
flight
up
with you
there.
yesterday, and we were trying to figure out what the heck was going on. But now we know that it was much more deeper
then
than
you
what we
come up here
thought.
yesterday and say more. This as you specifically say yesterday over this say
Yes.
at the airport. This is more bigger than we guys.
Oh,
And it's
okay.
between RT and Bling.
Yep, I did. And
Yeah,
things.
I only thing I have to tell you, just do continue to do good and don't make nobody make you do bad. Come here, watch your ears. And it's only when people dry out, you come out and talk the things them. Don't make nobody dry out. You hear me tell you?
Okay.
Don't make nobody dry out. And you see who you are bless? Bless them same way. Don't stop. You hear me tell you? Don't make nobody dry out. Just do good same way. Cause I hears me, I watch you. And may I tell you this, no matter more body dry out, you dry out enough. Let's do good.
I say something to you. You say something. That's how I feel. I feel like I draw out the mouth. I never walk come on the road, yeah. That is why me run one day, yeah. And she come back for me after the Queenie hype and me girly clad, the blood clad hype and the interview and all that or something. Because if she come back. And now me come and I grill up the blood clad something. Woman dash me out. And me not do nothing.
Yeah, but Sha, make you turn your back on real people. Look pan cheese, you and cheese put it down. You still talk back. You look how much people you said drop out. Do good, man, and good we
Because
still
she's
follow
a
you.
user.
You follow
Because she
people.
is a user.
No,
You understand me? Enough of them are run up here, you, and them don't know where you come
Can I
from.
like the cheese thing? Me and cheese have a problem, but me know how to deal with it. What can
Right, and that me I try to tell you, because when me see you and cheese, I think I be a laugh, me laugh.
Manuel Road is because of Bling. And here was she try to make it look earlier upon the life. You and cheese always I go down the road long time. No bitch, you send me down there personally.
People have to understand.
Once me move cheese,
Don't make nobody dry
reach
out
down there.
again. You see this? That one you now supposed to teach you a lesson and stop that. Me you just continue to do good and continue to help your people them. You understand me? Because this don't make no sense because you got always have a bad-minded person in your group. Always. And them alone for see them way, and them alone you for help. Just continue to help who you help. Because years me I watch you. Years.
Can you hear the loggerhead
But
woman this
Like
morning?
say she not benefit from where him give. She rub him out like say she not benefit from nothing the way him a do. She's a dance.
Gifters and she said,
Anytime you see them in RT bar, so at RT I help them. Anytime you see them and no up so, per RT I give them all sort of things. Cause so him still. And here's me I tell you, so we are go down the road with RT. And I just text me text. I force me a company live and me I tell him now say, nobody done that. Just continue.
Me and RT run up and down. Me and RT run up and down, dirty foot, everything. So me know the history about him. Him kind of blood clot from him mother push him out. Him kind.
And me I try to tell you sometimes when me see me do a be a laugh, me laugh and everything. But RT, just continue to do good. And stop make bad mind people dry you out. It don't look good. Stop make them bad mind people here. When you see them come, just hit them with one and run. You understand? Beat up yourself with them. Because it's not relevant. Make some of them go out with them.
help who you want help and make your heart be free at
Because
times.
that me see I do all the ears. And that me see I do all the ears. And if somebody dry out, and that is the only way, me see you get mad. You understand me? And me just sit down and watch your life. From Facebook coming down everywhere. Me just watch and me laugh. And me so God Tina done boy. Sometimes me late for work and me still when me reach out work, me still them up on the line.
This
You understand me? Just done man. When you see crisis people, you got bad mind people, you got always come in and always come in, you know. And me always see you sometimes you don't sit down and laugh.
Hold on.
You understand?
Cheese say if you unmute her, them say if you unmute cheese and add her to the box. She wants to say something.
Yeah, bring up cheese, man, RT. Bring up cheese.
Man.
Bring up cheese. Man, till say Kingston 13. Kingston 13 to the world.
What me cheese RT, man? Sure.
No.
Kingston 13, we say.
Let Blinga move with her 10-door fridge just so she get some message for World Dog. You don't know what she do? She call down World Dog phone, call him down and tell World Dog that somebody send out him baby picture of them come gear.
May I look for this thing? I don't understand. May I look for it?
Yeah, Kingston 13. Let them go. Continue to do your good, RT. A long time I see I do good and I just hold my peace and hold my mouth and I not say nothing. Every time you see you do something, you see you have somebody in a problem. Continue. That's a your blessing.
Let me tell you something. RT is a true definition of a friend. Maybe someone else say, yeah, him come out brawling, but people like him, they help and they help. But
And no
any little
brawling.
move,
Tell the
the other,
truth.
any little move the other person do,
Listen up,
like
them always the
me
same like
myself,
talk receipt, but them
me,
hurting
Tell
me,
her
me.
me watch RT.
Alright, people, what me have to say about RT is that you see anywhere him go, him add to it. Is a youth will add value. You understand what I say? Because he must say him start up all of this with Blinga. But Blinga did do this a good while. And then him come kinda change the thing. Because remember Blinga used to link with the B man them, you know. You see me I say at them she used to link with. And them used to do them mix up and them something. Him you know come tell her I say, you are going. You say if you want bigger, you have to drop them company. And I saw she and them stop deal and start cussing them something there. Right? And him start coming at the picture. So Moda say him add value to Bling thing and him help push her. You understand me I say? But he's a man where him have him ways too. You understand me I say? But more I know what you thinking at the comment, right? So make a watch some more.
She blessed with a gift and a curse.
Them help, listen,
no,
from them hurting feeling,
Let me
if I
read
come
him
out
now.
talk. Them ever
Let
hurt
me
you I
read
feel like
RT
it's not the
now.
feeling.
RT, blessed with a gift and a curse.
Yes, Mama. Yes.
Yeah.
The young
But them
and the
can't control him. In
You know when
spirit too strong.
me feel like say people them, I feel like say when everybody start and say bling, you remember me think she that come down and say, okay, I see what you guys are saying. No, and she's still not telling about
That's
the
not understanding.
the thing that I don't like is that she have a courthouse, like I said yesterday, she is the Supreme Court, you and her. And if a situation like that occur, I think that she should have made TikTok lawyer come over there and defend herself. End the story.
When she's page name them, unmute her, so which me not see her.
My opinion. You
Name
can't run
Judge
a
Roy, but
courthouse and you
she
pick and
live on fair
choose.
page, brother. But she on another
When you
one.
have your friend, then you have
And
to defend
they
your
mute
friend.
her other
I
page.
hope
We
anything
share an
with
Oakley page.
TikTok liar promise her, she get it.
Man,
I
I
hope
have my
so.
friend them and don't
Or
defend
if I have
them.
your
Yeah,
friend in a ride out to them friend.
crazy.
So why Miss Blink for stop the cussing and just stop everything and just call peace.
Pussy, I
Come on,
try
what the
hide
phone?
your
Can nobody
voice.
not come down
RT
him
boss,
and
me
him
say
go and him
one
not done
RT
go
boss,
back.
RT, me say one Bling, and you know that we are
No, that done. There's no one IT I want it big because I'm me I try save your not a good blood clot and get all in a this because
You know,
you
talk.
RT, listen, RT, me give you thanks, I'm a rate of everything you do for me.
So
Thank you so much,
Blink like you
RT.
period. That was an error. That was a mistake. And Blink come fear this man and I give you your dirt. So you need to do your one true and one because nobody will come near blood clubbing. Even Sunshine are my best friend. And I this Sunshine because of Bling. And I live with the blood club Bling. Friend Sunshine. When a she say Sunshine won't be like she. Bling, the people them find out your nasty blood clot. I'm not trying to hide, not you.
TikTok patrol, just leave it alone, yeah? Just do what you have to do for you and your people, them over there.
Exactly.
Because they were trying to rub you out. They're trying to throw you underneath the bus.
There's no Bling and no
Leave it
IT no
alone.
more. That is what she don't want, that she has said so. So make she go on.
Yeah. If
Right
they
now,
want to
what
come
you
back,
know in
let
the
them
blood
come back.
clot
But
Bling.
we need to stay out of it.
Just stay out of it. Uno watch she
Yup.
watch me clot all away. Uno phone leave.
That's all me have to say, guys. Thank you.
When I come go like blood clot bring anybody, me not do live, me only walk over here, know I go and come out every blood clot day, I go and talk about mix up, I go and bring clot case, I go and read news, I go and review, I go and do every blood clot, I get walk over here, what the fuck gonna feel like? You know, me not grudge her for nothing, but since me and you come up with this whole blood clot thing then, and you go show me then, we judge there, judge right! Me not like your nasty blood clot, but come and get look at hype, let me dash you in there. Judge right to blood clot, Emmanuel Mountain again. Dirty Judge Right, come up to class and go up there. Where is Judge Right? Come Judge Right. Remember we are enemy. Now me have to apologize to Judge Right. Say me kick him out for Miss Bling. Judge Roy.
Share what, brother?
Like the nasty blood clot. Me try for many to kick out to blood clot. You know, so you know, trending over there again to us. You see, yeah, Danny. Look up on the live, a blood clot. That's the friend I keep. Yes, you remember trending to us? She said the video man I make more money and then him saying if you come back a blood clot. And then the video man called me and said, them a tell life for me and Bling say cost me and this and that. I'm a 3-way Bling and me call Bling and me try work it out with she and trending. So make him go ahead. Make him go, me don't want nobody around me. RT, me don't want nobody Trump. Can't be that. You know, me don't want nobody. What problem is, Bling is a confused fucker. Look how she out there with she the life now with police now I try look cute or whatever. Girl, let me tell you this. I may ask everybody who believe in the story, just laugh. Because we've been doing it for morning. Text it in the laugh. Because I do with blood clad police, if we be big and careless. That's all it is, big and careless. Because look for you as a reputable woman when say you have big night. Well, look where you put yourself in. That is why RT privately have issue with that. I mean, I say it because I mean, I talk thing now. I never agree with it. And the real fans them where a big woman like on the step. But the real life say I fuck with Miss Blood Bling and do. The police attracted to thick woman. Not slim girl. Him attached to pig. And every time you see police, him entertain another pig. So as him see a pig, him drop a pig. I then you are own up a man where every time you see a pig, him drop a pig, Miss Blood Clap, Bling pig. Nana style. You run down uno why you. Yeah, what next thing me did and laugh. Let me tell you something where burn me inside. I'm glad the friendship end. Me now as a hypocrite. Girl run go to Jamaica. You know guys, you know, me and police is just friends. Me and police don't you know anything. You lock up in a bathroom. I do video. Police there in a dining room. Either girl, next time you send the man in the bathroom and you go in the dining room, Nana style. Alright, next thing you could do, make the man come out of the house. Either girl, you see the roof of the house, at the same roof in the living room. So when me looking at the house and everybody looking at the house and looking at the bathroom and say, and then we see, then you do live and have the man walk past and say, yeah, you know, Jesus Christ, you know them big 12? You know them big pitney where 12-year-old where you just want bumbo clad groom them and them just big and lazy? Yes, big 12. Bling 12. Them big 12-year-old child. How the fuck you go down here and say it in the media and then you are hiding them? People talk the bumbo clad truth because I have a problem with it. Me tell you them things I tell the truth. How the fuck you in the media, Bling? And you take the little Rasta boy. I don't mind him. And you in the media. Yeah, first of all, every fucking month Bling that Jamaica. For sure you know. Where that Jamaica from? Me that Jamaica why they are in a meter. You know say every minute him back. Why they are, look now, him before sure you Bling big and careless. Before him for go America, go at the blood clad army when him can't go because the husband are divorcing because the husband family them not like what go on and a be a scandal go on in the family. Before she go spend her time down at the blood clad army with her husband, she go spend her birthday down at Jamaica with the Rasta. As a friend, privately, me a burn out them something there. That contribute to everything why she a going so. But those are private things. As a real friend, if you realize that I defend her, live in her, feel like she tired of me defending her. Okay then. But your sister some things where you never know say is a problem, me keep it. But you know say me an old fridge as long as it expire, me go dash them away. You know me a old fridge. As long as it expire to blood clot. Now that's why me not keep nothing in a fridge where expire to blood clot. When it expire, me empty my fridge.
So we're gonna go over to him and Blinga you now. I have it out. You see me? So what I say about she a forward Jamaica and link up the youth and I just because him no have a woman at Jamaica, why him think away of that. And what him say about the like Blinga going at the thing there and the youth out in a, if she did that try, maybe she did want to give people a look, you know what I mean, make people speculate and say, boy, she did it with the youth and whatever. Maybe she did want to tell everybody, but she do it in a little sneaking way or whatever. You see me? Yo, me not lie, me would pre a woman overseas and me that Jamaica and me can't go over there and she can come out here. That the relationship there, me couldn't do it. You know what I mean? So when I say I know just because him up on the outside I look in, him don't know how she feel about the youth. Obviously she feel some type of way about him. That's why she done here every time. So we're gonna go over to Blinga, you know, and him have it out. Alright. So make we listen out. Yeah. I'm gonna run through them and then we go over to that.
Definitely tell you, say me I go live.
Yes, but me never expect.
So why would you say that leave me alone? I'm very confused, like bring me up.
Because listen, me never want the talking like the long talking anymore because me can't explain myself properly. This morning is when you told me that TikTok lawyer went on another story about the revealing
patrol.
TikTok patrol. Me say, oh, okay then. So me get where you come from then. Me understand why you say she cause problem in the camp. But I told you I'm gonna speak to TikTok lawyer.
Yeah, but what me know I say Bling. All the walla who for me and you go Manuel Road and come back. That's what we are saying and live. But you have narrative of saying we have settings and setting. And the thing never have nothing to do with you yesterday. Rather than why you don't want to try the case and why TikTok liar never want to come. What is in common with you and TikTok liar? For TikTok liar, though it never about royalty. Royalty case closed long time. It is about TikTok liar. I create another problem. She ought to create another mix-up. And I am the one now.
Okay, and I told you that. Said, okay, RT, me get where you come from.
But me I tell you from yesterday before it reached nowhere.
Me never interested in the argument yesterday.
So that means you wrong as a friend too. You should have interested.
No, me shouldn't interested because you and the people them dep on live over there and the whole of them over there sit down in a box every night, RT. Me not did it with them. Them on TikTok liars sit down in a box at night time over there. So
then when I say RT really control people. Let me clarify that. Let me clarify that part there when I say about RT control. Because suck your mama big pussy girl. Obligated for lead. Me's a leader. You see me with that Pope hat? Okay, and you know what I do know? Listen to me, because suck your mama 10. Alright, the people them know my answer in a good control, in a control myself. The bottom line is, I am not controlling. The girl right that's on a blood class says, that's why I'm not want her. The problem is me I look out for people, and me look out for people too much. How the fuck me I control? Everybody, and then me hear another thing with Dana say, I don't want nobody beside me. Anybody you see me run a bling, make me run them. Bling, make me run cheese. Bling, make me run Dr. Blood Clot B. Bling, authorize it. Me not do it without bling authorization. So don't fuck on yourself.
You see, oh, you a mix up. We don't talk about that. We are
no, but no, all of them things they cost all of this. Because you not addressing the things them bling.
You see, if you
and
don't.
And then people are putting the picture like I am the bad person because you keep running and not address the things them.
Me not run from nothing. You do things different from me.
But you make me run
right
cheese and
away.
you make me run it, but I don't do it without approval. It's not my show.
Okay, but listen to me. If you never come run with the people, you think me gonna run them away?
Yeah, but tell the people them say, and you give the approval. Don't make it look like me do it off of my own.
Oh my God. RT, we're gonna talk about where we come for talk about come.
Yeah, but everything make we just fix it. We not worry. Everybody know we are friends. Everybody know the whole thing go. But these are the things that needed to fix. The thing is so fucked up. I don't give a fuck what people want to say out there because at the end of the day, nobody can break this. Me and Bing have the final say. We can make on a class with today, and today we can make on a talk good. Because at the end of the blood clot, we write the script. God Almighty.
Listen
right
to me.
there.
Listen.
God
All right.
Almighty.
So since as you want talk, with the Dr. B situation, it was a live where a lot of people was on the live. And they saw what happened. And when me tell you what happened, you never like it. That's why you come and you run with the woman. No.
Stop. You still... People who not bling. The world know me a hypocrite, but me justify my thing and I'm not gonna take it. That's not how the story go.
All right,
When your man here say, that I tell you off run the show and stop the certain things, the man turn to you and say, do not make RT hear that because RT not gonna like that. If your man when you put on your bed can say that, so obviously him know the relationship where me and you have. And
yes,
when you turn and
so you want me go into details. Okay, so say that.
Yeah, but you not have to do no detail, you have to go in for the people to understand because a lot of confusion, so you have to explain. So the reason why me get rid of the lady, because even your man did know say that the message where she come off with no make no sense when me and you start this. You repeat what your man say. So the bottom line is, you have a problem with her, but you're never ready to move her. So me move her. And after me move her, even people out there now till today feel like say me do it half of my own because you not telling people them say, listen, I anytime you see RT make a move, it's me authorize it.
Alright, so people me did watch that live there and me see everything what go on. You see me, I just like what him say, Bling did have an issue with it and she never want to say nothing to the lady. So him just forward and him just him brawling and him say what him say and I saw that they mash up because the woman, I think she work with them, give a thing, for do some promotion I think, and she want to try for, change the type of thing with them do, and he must say no, that can't go so, because she have a problem with it, but it's like she never want to say nothing like that, and he must say no, when I work with it, she can't come over here to come change the thing. And I saw. So it look like say people did have problem with that. And I said things about it. But maybe she never say nothing to it. To make them know say yeah, me did have a problem and him just take it over and do what he do. So I go watch some more. I remember we go over there and my people and hear what Dana say. Cause I hear him mention Dana a while ago. So we go hear what Dana say about the whole thing.
That's all I'm saying. So I could fix everything when people have in the media. Simple. And then I could go back to the... Because right now, the moral of the story is Tik Tok liar and everybody in the life now I realize say you don't see it. Because RT not do nothing wrong. He might defend you, Bling. Suck your people. Them people ever talk about me and control them. Suck them, man.
Alright, so listen. Okay, so yes, but explain to you, I'ma tell you the situation about the Dr. B because you weren't there, but the whole fucking people was there. You understand? Anybody wants to say my hypocrite, come suck me juice me. Everyone did want come here, so seriously. Now, with the cheese situation, right? Yes, me tell you say, me I get news that she block off the people them. I told you. This is not nothing for justifying or anything, and you can't take care, you come and you run with them. That's not for them business. Run with them blood clot. That not nothing to do with me. No. This your situation you're right here, so. The TikTok liar situation. RT, the reason why me now address this is because me I tell us say royalty is not innocent either. Yes, my sister royalty stand her ground and sit down in a this and yada yada yada. She win her throne, whatever it is. But I don't feel like I should address this because when them over the TikTok like royalty, the whole of them in a box at night time, I'm not really there. I'm not really there. Can't hear you.
Miss Bing, you know me love you and respect you. You really listen to what you say?
Me I listen to everything what me I say.
Okay, and the fans them I listen to. Okay.
Me tell us I don't want to try the case. So you're upset because me don't want to try the case. All right. This morning after me and your reason now, me tell us I understand where you come from now with the TikTok liar. You tell me the last part with the patrol. So I say, okay then. So you guys think she's doing too much then. Me understand that now. Me see where you come from now.
So why would you never tell her that I think you should go deal with when you are say, all right, Bling, for sure you all my respect always out for you, you know. When me end the live and come over and we say, you come over there, me come over there, you say, we don't want to talk about it, you don't want to talk about it, you don't want to talk it, all right, that done. Me never mention it to you. And I keep over there, you know, and you say you don't want to talk about it, me not mention, me just in the box. And when you say one person is the main problem behind it, is Bling, the moral of the story is a TikTok liar. Now, what you have to say about the TikTok liar, why you and RT boss go down the Manuel Road when RT just defend you and say TikTok liar do too much. Now that you just realize, say, at that cast the issue, what you have to say about that, because the man never bring you down and the man never this you, is that you keep on ignore the story. And as a friend, you should and take up it. And even if you never want to take it up, you should and say, okay, TikTok lawyer, you go forward and represent yourself. Because RT call you. That's all me.
I told her. She said she's not going over there because you guys disrespected her. So she never want to come over there.
And that was a lie. That was a lie. So, all right, now me I tell the people them now say, people, let me tell you the truth. You see, to be honest, me have to hold the character and put the thing in play. If everybody are listening, then realize say I'm only doing my best. Me know people are gonna have good and bad. Me I'm just do my best. Maybe me overstep my bound when time TikTok lawyer caused the problem. Me should have just allow her when me wouldn't in at this. Me just feel like say me I address it because it's an issue. It don't look good. And me feel like Miss Bling should take it up and analyze it as a court case and deal with the way how Miss Bling make it played out and all of this. And now it reach right as so. And it still not make sense. It still not make sense because
RT, what you want? Tell me what you want me do, RT. Tell me what you want me do because me not side with you and give the royalty innocent. She ain't fucking innocent. She caused a lot of this too. So not just TikTok liar alone. Royalty caused a lot of this too, and the people are not telling you that. Me not interested in the show RT because to me not say RT boss, listen. You have to understand, I rate you, I respect you, and I love you too. But, bossy, you can't expect, say, me not have no opinion in a this. Me I try to tell you, say, me not interested. The only reason why me not interested is because, goody where you side with, not like say me I tell a pick side, but goody where you side with, she not innocent either. So TikTok liar, them for them are the same boat then because if TikTok liar cause problem, she cause problem too. Because let me explain something to you. Bring not loyal to RT. Let me explain something to I could give 2 fuck one type in a comment section. You see royalty and TikTok liar. Let me tell you why me feel how me feel RT. I mean, hold on to how me feel, bossy. Me not disrespect you. Me not try to make you look no type of way. But that's why you understand. Listen to this. You see the video where the people them a tell us say TikTok liar put out? I mean, I defend TikTok liar neither. Just listen to me. The video where them a tell us a TikTok liar put out is not so it go. They're not telling you, and some of the people them in your box know the truth.
You know what I try to say is like, that's why I don't know. I have a problem. I have a personal.
Alright, people. So, I go over to Dan, you know, and hear what Dan say. You see what I say? Yeah. So, these are some of the things them what did I go on. No far no ear already. You know what I mean? So, we are going to go over to Dan, you know, and hear Dan who talk about the situation and why RT boss each up on Unda Blinga.
People one day in done with over there. In done with over there. And all of a sudden, over there build up good. And then Ivan start come over there. Ivan carry most blood clad people over there. Uno, hey, I shoot on you, you know. Uno remember night when Ivan go over there. And the motor comes so Ivan start go over there. So now we fly, come back now. People that, hey. Yeah. So I can't back me near. No blood clot, scream shot. Ivan Kasi. If Ivan in there start come back, me no come back. Uno see me a really span TikTok. Uno see me a really span TikTok. Me look far, me think far, me is a observer. Not a star. Me is a observer. You don't know me a star down. And that's why he come back. Me buy my Ivan in the dark night. Me buy my cheese in the dark night. Ivan, you bring a crowd over there. A bedtime. Yeah, take time no man to hear kind of on the phone. Yes! Him and them never talk. Not them over there, you see a Billy Page and them a go over there every day. Cheese. Ivani. Bling. And the people them gone over the cover there every day. So him just come fling out everybody. From Spanish Town, born and raised. Yes. So, listen, when you hear him saying gone, listen. When he view was gone down and he see over there striving, gone over there back. When she get to a big case, coffee views are going to drop at you. Look at people and listen to him, I go cuss. Bling, but he now cuss bling. So after tonight, the people then gone back over bling. So when he got down to 100 and at 200, and see bling at 2,000, 3,000, he fly gone back over there.
Oh, that ain't easy, though.
Yeah. Black woman and child. Watch and see. Remember me tell you no 411 over here. You see? Let me tell you this. You see standard we bling have. You see bling quarter bling have. Now drop off a shape for now. Because people do things every other day. Figure a quote. You get it?
So, all you hear is saying, gone. He can't go nowhere. She tying foot. He can't go nowhere. She tying foot with the views, them. Anytime he see views, he pop a rough cloth. Gone. We are no idiot. We are no idiot. We are no idiot. So when you see bling the pan, you have a key, girl. Don't worry. You have a key. You have a key. And you can't lose it. You have a key. 100%. Nobody loves nothing like a good courthouse. You can't keep court. She ain't what? She ain't phone now. You don't think Bling a idiot? You think when that Bling one thing look at 2,000, 1,500, think I wanna give Bling, you think Bling a bex with him, you must make him bex, cause she know him a come back. Tom junk, but Tom no fool. Make him kill up for himself, cause he not go nowhere. He not go nowhere. He not go, which part if he go? So me ask you a question now.
Alright, so people, here we go on. A Bling started, yes, but a RT make it reach which part it reach. A RT give her the direction and them something there for left the way the funny man them aside there so and just move in a different direction. So she depend the part how she so him I forget credit for that and him not always over there still, you know. Him over there a couple times, then him go do him thing on him own and then him come back every now and again. I saw him do him thing. Zine, but him can never ever reach the amount of people where Bling draw and fear thing because everybody love mix up and drama. So anything come in and Bling start talk about it and people start coming, the people them are go rush in. So him not really have the crowd like how Bling have the crowd. But him kinda set it. You see what I say? But more of them can just have them disagreement, you know, and fall back later on and you know what I mean, talk out things and back on them part. You see me? And me don't feel like say Ivan really have nothing to do with how Blinga get people over there. She go over there a couple times, yes, but she never over there right through for kinda build it. She just come over there a couple times. Look before what go on with she and thing. But she know although the go where she go and the whole heap of thing around where she there and the money where them a try get and them something there, that kind of build it up, yes. Enough people start come over there for year what go on with she too. You see me? So make you watch some more with that and I say.
If a man where you can get any little thing from when you want, when you see my custom blaze, you look at him. You look at him and you know what be a mouth he have. You know he not going away. Make him cuss, good God, man. Make him burn off a little dopey them off of him. Not going away. Not going away. Not know where to go. Look, you're crazy. And the next 2 weeks you want one pocketbook. Or you can't buy more lunch. Me I go somewhere more, you make me buy one ticket. That's how you have to do them. I win. I root of all evil. All you hear them say them a man. When they find the right man to weaken them. You see, if you know say they have a weak spot for you, use it. Deal with it. Anytime you find a man and you find out say that man have a weak spot for you and you find out say miserable, no pay him no mind. No pay him no mind. You go get the world from him. No pay him no mind. Make him blow off his steam. Because I just steam him off to blow off and that's it. And she know him like a book. She do him so already. And I him come back. And I this again. I'm want to watch the show. Without saying nothing at all, just watch the movie and look who I go back at who. Look if you now go see her over there and him go come in at the box. And if me no dep on TikTok, I want to send me live. Because my phone I go beep. So I want to send me and say, Dan, you know what you say. I want to send me live. I chat him. So me ask you a question. When he Bex and go how much months ago last year? He never done. He sure they have to go on without him. I know first it done.
You kick off?
I know first it done. Man, you hear she what my mouth up to now? You hear she say nothing? She not say a word. She have it locked. A woman we name, you know. A woman we name. So we born lucky. All aeroplane, we get through, we lucky. We fuck them and tell them low we. That's what his song say. Yeah. She not have to while him. She not have to while him. He good man. He a one bag of, you know, me call him bamboo fire. He blaze up high and come down back low. So you know what I'm saying? No pay no mind. He coming right back around. Him love this app here, Tik Tok. And because him love the app and the excitement and the rate and everything, him alone can't do it. If you get the excitement where him love, him over film side and look, him have to go over this so forget what him really want. And everybody there and bossy and everybody in I code bossy and one boss, but at them there's something they him like.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's your boy EJ. Come.
That's the next thing again. But because as me say, you know say I saw him stay, you just leave him. Him no mean nothing. Him no mean nothing. You see the incident with the girl in night, Nasha, what she want name, and you see when me say it, you see her then jump out for me, and you know, don't I shoot me at all? Okay. But why you go jump so high and then you have to come back and apologize? When you know, because it's just all about the record. You see how the girl will her composure? She could have gone down the road to do, but that don't make no sense. And now you see him come right back down like a little baby. Like nothing never happened. That's how it is. You don't pay them no mind, man. Really say friendship and make we see.
But it is what it is. I would say to the people, someone know that I have to come by an opinion, but you know, come because you know I get caught in the triangle. We know that. Right. You can't say to the one that will come by some opinion, just don't want to get caught already while down, so I can't tell you. So bear in mind now, other people might have problem, we don't know, because the moral of the story is me telling you this.
Anybody where that go between
it not turn back.
No sense.
For me, if you tell you that.
Anybody
I mean, agree for it not to turn back. Because if it turn back, it will cause a problem. And going forward, when we leave here, so tomorrow, tonight, and whatever, we now continue with this story. We know other people might want to keep court case and do whatever. That's a for them business. Them do what they want to do. But if me see a TikTok liar, my head I go miserable. And that's all me I say. You see me? So nobody not bring down nobody, whatever. Me don't bring down one for bring down, we bring down one another. And then when we analyze, we bring down, realize the blood clot it will win, but this bring down when I can't get it.
That's
To show
the
you
point,
how we bring down one and we laugh and we don't talk and we decided that fuck you again, we're gone. That's it. Everything good.
That is it. Bambasi, just one clarification, okay? Patrol never bring function queen, no Miss Blinga for about 20 years now.
Okay, so one again, make function queen. What is it?
I just she know Miss
That
Bling.
African woman, a lady.
Yeah, she know Miss Bling for about 20 years now, and she follow Patrol from over Miss Bling. Yeah.
Okay, so whether it mix up, so I expect it to change anyway because this mix up to blood clot. So I mix up with him. You can't go by mix.
A whole heap of something, I say, and
oh God.
Jesus. Look, let's say, a peer worm, both for spill out, but me, I go wait for you and Miss Bling for talk again, and Dalios are gonna mash up completely. Then to jump in.
I think we're going to watch and see how Miss Bling is angry.
So, TikTok liar want TikTok liar want to go over Bling Live? TikTok liar want to go over Bling Live? No one, somebody want to come over Bling Live? No, but you don't call me name, yeah? Call me no night. No one, somebody, so why then can't tell somebody say, are you want to go like woman live? Never tell live father. Woman, here two man different, you know? Woman, me say any day, woman come together with woman, we unstoppable. But woman, hate woman different. Then no one tell the people that me truth, say, are you? They say, I'm me. And then know for her to ever be, you know? Then buy us your fuck. Tell them. Tell them, guys. Me say, they bias. If fuck are they lie. They want to turn everything for the poor girl now.
Let me find money for you.
I'm going to tell you, woman, every time you run how much people over there. The poor woman like that one, I want to see her. What the fuck you want? I don't want to hear her go suck on the woman here, man. Bumbo clot. From a blood clot phone, I go suck on the woman. On a pussy all drunk or no. Alright, people, me could be fear now. Are you alive? Every time him come, anybody see where him not like over him get them off, so you can't talk for your own page. You see them blood clot hypocrite, man. You can't talk for your own page. Support me like the person you know. You run with 5, 6 already, so why if me like that one? Why is a problem? And on my page. What the fuck wrong with a big pussy woman? Tell me now. It can't be female at all times. And on your page. So if you are going to come on my page as well and run on my people them, and me decide more and keep that one there, why may I have it in a malice feed? Come on, don't be real, man. And give Caesar what due to Caesar, man.
True that.
Everything can go for your way. Yeah, God? Blood clot, they might cost me to a murder. Me not call, that's why me not call no name, so nobody can say who me attack. Me not call nobody name. Yeah, no God, sir. But I go by play and run with everybody over there. Every time you run there, I saw you say you run with me to, want me over there. You know, one day you see me come back over there. You not go back over there. Look what time me go over there. What you do?
Remember that time, them man.
Talk well like you done for everything. Come on. Alright. See, listen, to show yourself, that's what I tell you, say. Me not look for him, I want bag about here, you know. Him tell the woman, say, any day ever see me back if she ever had me back in her box. Then what happen? Him coming off in my box. You can't pay him no mind. You can't pay him no mind. When he heart gone down, in good luck a goal. But when he dump them a torment him, a be a problem. That's how he go for you. Yeah. You have us when you see mad left him, make him chat. I dump them a torment him. After he calm down, in good luck a goal. So this is not a big deal. So them people over there know what?
Alright, so people, I want to tell me what you think in the comments, right? Because, as I say, a RT kind of big up bling thing, make it reach on a level where it reach, but I'm kind of give her a little thing there, a little push there, and advise her, say, yo, do this and don't do that. You see me? So, him kind of help her, and him help her, but me not feel him to try if he control the whole thing. If him just make it flow. If him not like somebody, him can't tell her say don't this or don't that because me not like that person or whatever. No. Him have to just make sure run her thing, and if him see she are kinda go in a direction where him a say, then him come and say whatever. But you can't tell her say don't put this a person upon it or don't put that the person. No. I don't believe. I remember say a fear thing, you know. You see me? So as me say, people, let me know what you think in the comments. You know what I mean? And alright, so we are going to end it.